everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are watching the 2022 comedy horror film called White Noise. College professor Jack Gladney and his family's comfortable suburban life is upended when a nearby chemical leak causes the Airborne Toxic Event, releasing a noxious black cloud over the region that forces the Gladney family to evacuate.
Jack, wake up, we have to leave. 5 more minutes. No more minutes.
Okay, roll film.
Would you like that, a protein?
That stuff causes cancer in laboratory animals, in case you didn't know.
Either I chew gum or I smoke.
What are these children, yours?
That's mine from wives 1 and 3. There's Babette's from husband 2. Wilder is ours. We're each other's 4th.
Life is good, Jack.
I hope it lasts forever.
Let's watch a sitcom or something.
No! They're calling it the Airborne Toxic Event.
We won't come this way.
Will we have to leave our home?
Of course not.
How do you know?
I just know.
Okay, what if it's dangerous?
Evacuate all places of residence.